Aerostat registered PC2 Benchtop Blower with built-in Emitter Point Cleaner. Compact and lightweight, the Aerostat PC2 air ionizing blower offers outstanding charge neutralization for targeted mini-environments and can be easily mounted inside process tools. Built with sufficient air velocity to provide static control up to 4 feet across a benchtop work surface. The Aerostat PC eliminates static charges on a flat benchtop. Key features include discharge time of less than 2.0 seconds at 1 foot. Weight-saving design. Easy to use, built-in emitter cleaner. Lightweight, compact and quiet for unobtrusive use. Plus or minus 10 V self-balancing, micropulse technology. Local alarm LEDs, facility monitoring system, FMS, connection and optional audible alarm.